Hi everyone, welcome to this new Nalios tutorial. So today we will talk about using badges or codes for employees who don't have specially their own user account in the database, and it will help them to identify themselves on specific apps to perform the task. So these specific apps are the shop floor, which is the application related to the manufacturing application, and that allows the employee to record time and to work on different work orders. And the other application is the application attendance, where employees can use a badge to be able to record their in and their out in the day. So their attendance. For that, the first thing to do is to configure that on the employee. So here on the employee, I will take my employee. I will create new ones so I can show you. I will put test2 and test3. Here. And so on my employee test2, I will go here in settings and I will put a code. This code can be either letters or numbers, but I will advise you to use a code pin which is numbers. So I will put maybe here 1, 2, 3, 4. Then here you will be able to put also the ID of the badge. For that you can write what you want, but you can also, if you don't want to write something specific, you can generate one from the system. Then when it's generated, you can print the badge, and I will show you how it looks when you print it. So I will take the badge here. I will put it on the other. Yep. So you can see that here you have a badge with the logo of the company, the photo of the user if there is one, the name of the user, the employee. Sorry, it's not user because these employees they don't have any users related to them. So here it's really the employee. So the logo of the company, the photo of the employee, the name of the employee, and the barcode. This can be modified if you want by studio or development, customized development. So if I come back to my test2 here with my pin code and my badge, I will just duplicate my window to be able to keep it there. But if I come here, the first application that I want to show you is the shop floor. So on the shop floor, what can be interesting is to put a tablet inside of your warehouse and to let the operator work all on the same tablet. So you can have only one, sorry, sorry, I will do that, but I will show you after. So I can have only one tablet in the warehouse with only one user connected to the database, but I can work like different employees on the same tablet, thanks to this application, which is shop floor. So imagine that I'm test3, I'm the employee test3, I'm working on this one. I can record my time on it. I will go maybe here and I will record my time. We can see it there. Then I'm with the employee MAU and I will work on another one. And what we can see is that we can see here on the side that we have MIU, which is working on this manufacturing order, this work order, and the test3 is working on another one. And you can see that the time is moving even if we are not connected on the employee, on the specific employee. Then if I want to connect on the employee on which I have put a pin code, here I click, I have to put my pin code to be able to connect. And it's really interesting because imagine that you have some work orders that can only be done or seen by one specific employee. This employee will be assigned to these work orders, and to be able to connect on it, you will need to put the code pin. So you will have one tablet with one user, but if some different employees want to work on it, they will have to put their code pin to be able to connect on their employee, and it can make sure that one employee is working only with his employee here. All right, so it's very interesting in this application to use the code pin. The other application that I want to show you is the application attendance. So I don't know if here I have this one which is already downloaded. I will just download it for the demonstration. Here I will install. So now I have the app attendances, and when I click on it, if I go in kiosk mode, it's the same way. I can have only one user connected to a tablet, and this tablet can be in the entry of your building or something like that, and every employee can identify. So here I can scan. We can use the camera, but here it's not possible because I don't have one. But then you can identify manually by taking the employee you want to identify. But it's to show you that you can, with the different the badge that you have on the employee here, and the one that I printed and that I showed you, you can identify yourself in the attendance app. So here it is. I hope it's clear, and I hope it will help you to manage different employees that don't have any user on the database, and that are working even on the shop floor, or maybe not in the shop floor and only working with attendance. So yeah, it's really useful, I think. So don't hesitate to ask questions in comments if you have, and we will be happy to answer them, and see you soon.